Let's get your Lorex DVR connected so you can view your cameras remotely. First, physically connect your Lorex DVR to your router using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Power on the DVR. Next, access the DVR's settings through a monitor connected directly to it. Enable DHCP to automatically obtain an IP address or manually assign a static IP address. Make sure the DVR and your mobile device are on the same network initially. This setup is critical for the next step, pairing the DVR with the Lorex Home app. Begin by downloading and installing the Lorex Home app on your smartphone or tablet. It's available for both iOS and Android devices through their respective app stores. Next, create a new account or log in if you already have one. Use a strong email and password combination, and be sure to enable two-factor authentication for better security. Now, add your DVR to the app. You can either scan the QR code located on your DVR or manually enter the device ID or serial number. The app will guide you through the pairing process step by step. If you're not using cloud mode, you may need to configure port forwarding on your router. Common ports to forward are 80 for HTTP and 554 for RTSP. Access your router's settings to set this up. Once connected, you can view live feeds from your cameras remotely anywhere with internet access. Enable motion alerts to receive notifications for proactive monitoring of your property. Finally, remember to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Keep your DVR firmware updated to protect against vulnerabilities.